Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magnetic Aura with Arijita. I am a angel and dragon teacher. I am also a psychic card reader. In this video, I will be talking about law of attraction. Everyone is aware about this law. Everyone heard it, right? You have read maybe The Secret, right? There you learn that every thought matters and how gratitude can change your life. So what is law of attraction? It's like a frequency. We all have a different kind of rhythm within us. The way we think, the emotion we always feel, it creates a pattern of frequency, and that is like a rhythm. The same rhythm, right, in music as well. It's like when the rhythm, someone play a music, some rhythm meets together and create a beautiful song, right? But it also happens sometime when the music, the rhythm, it's not there. You can feel the song, the music, it's not good to hear, right? So similarly, in our life, every one of us is unique, and everyone radiate a unique tone in life. So that tone, that music, the resonance that we radiate, it attracts a similar frequency in our life. The person we meet, the places we stay, the places we travel, everything have a unique frequency, and because your vibration meet that vibration, you travel somewhere, you maybe meet someone, and you feel that you feel grateful that I'm so happy that my rhythm is so synced with my wish. So how you change your rhythm, how you can observe your rhythm? You need to observe your thought, your emotion that you are resonating in the present moment. You can also introspect your past, like what kind of thought you have generated every time. Is that thought is positive for you? Because when we think negative thoughts, like I can't do this, I'm not good enough, so those thoughts have a lower vibration. It always attracts the lower vibrational events or people. So when you radiate that kind of energy, like happiness, joy in your life, you always connect with the same resonating people in your life. So this is the basic of law of attraction. So let me do a reading for everyone who is watching this video. Let's see for today. If you are watching in the next year or any time, because this kind of reading is always timeless reading, because soul, where we came from, there is no time. We experience this as a linear way so that we can experience things, we can understand oneself in a better way. So let's see what's the thought you need to know today. Whenever you are watching, you need to remember. So it's telling, whatever I can imagine, the universe can deliver what you want in your life. So when you imagine, you are creating a pattern of thoughts that you want to have, or you choose to have. I correct my word. You choose to have the experience in your life. When you imagine that, and when you become happy, when creating those imagination, that resonance always attract the similar kind of vibration towards you, and that will help you out to create what you want to whatever you want to manifest in your life. So this is the reminder from the universe to everyone watching this video. Whatever I can imagine, the universe can deliver. because in the universe there is enough, there is nothing to worry. You have the power to create because you are the rhythm of universe itself and you are unique, right? So see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.